Welcome to this beautiful Coronado. This is 3.4, located right in front of the park. This is perfectly positioned, so if you look behind me, you're gonna have a perfect blue line ocean view. On top of that, what we did, we shortened up the entryway just a little bit, so we have a very big terrace. So if you look to my right, you're going to see this beautiful water feature. This, of course, was an upgrade, and we have a ton of different upgrades that we're going to be. It most definitely has the biggest couch I've ever seen in my life. Oh, absolutely massive. If you guys don't know, if you've only seen me online, I'm 6'4". This couch makes me look tiny. Not only does this have one of the biggest pools, this is also one of the biggest lots. Your average lot in Coronado, about 8,000 square feet. This one, 11,000 square feet. Also, this is the newest villa in all of Coronado. Brand new furniture. See above me, we have vaulted ceilings, and they opted for the beautiful luxury beams, which I think goes absolutely amazing. I love the dark and the white contrast. Giant TV, not only here, but on the outside terrace as well. So from here, we have one of the biggest pools in the entire community, the jacuzzi, which is excellent. And then come over here for the third fire pit. We also did the add-on built-in bar that we have down below here. And then of course we've got the fire pit as well. And have your bartender sitting here serving you drinks as you're chilling in the bar. You've got your 100-inch TV that pulls out right here. We also have a barbecue, a grill that's coming in that we've already ordered that's going to be here shortly as well. As you take these hurricane shutters, they are the Kevlar kind. Come down, and actually what those do is they keep in 85% of the air conditioning. They turn all of this terrace into usable AC square footage. I think that's the best way to maximize the space. An opinion, if you wanted to make this into an Airbnb, these rent for a ton, and these have very high occupancy as well. Not only that, I would take the number 4, and I would probably put bunk beds in it. Let's turn this whole thing into an awesome putting green. If this wasn't an Airbnb, or if it's just for you, it's fun, it's awesome. Everybody loves to putt, even if you're not into golf. And that's gonna up your Airbnb rental numbers by a ton. So if they're choosing between you and the next guy, but you have a putting green, you got a golf simulator, and you have a golf cart, maybe a video game, very inexpensive to do, but your Airbnb occupancy is gonna be through the roof. It's gonna destroy everybody else in the community. That combined with the biggest pool, the jacuzzi, all the other extras that we're gonna go over, this place can be a rental machine. We upgraded all of the appliances. We have the Wolf package, which is amazing. Of course, we're on gas here as well. The beautiful granite, that white and black contrast, really gorgeous. This is the most modern style. When you compare this to some of the other Coronados, there's not really a comparison. A lot of these are quite dated, but this one really is a masterpiece, especially with the luxury furniture, the luxury couch. Now, let's move over here to the number 1. We are now in the number 1. This is your primary bedroom, which has an amazing view. We're talking sand, ocean view. Of course, the pool right here to our left. We have the upgraded doors, which actually open on not just one side, but both sides. This isn't even done yet. This has just been technically finished a couple days ago. This property is brand spanking new. Right there is the Quivira Beach Club. That is your driving range. And of course, being a Coronado owner, you're getting priority on just about everything. His and her sinks, your own ensuite. How nice is that? Tons of storage, a gorgeous casita. Of course, we have the big 2-car garage here with lots of parking. So you're wondering, what is the price of this beautiful villa? Guys, we're asking 3.5 for this, 3.5. Also, guys, we have financing included in this, 10 years, 7.5% interest, or 2 years, 0%. That's right, if you pay it off in 2 years, 0% interest, there's no prepayment penalty. A very good deal if you want to move another property. You've got 2 years to do it. You get into this, you live that Cabo life, and this is just about as good as it gets. Anything else you guys need in Cabo San Lucas, myself, my team, any of the crew, any of the House of Baja members, we can all help you guys out with just about anything Cabo related. We can do just about anything. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video.